Today we are going to learn about articles and the. Are you ready? Let's get it started now. There are three types of articles. The first one is indefinite article, second, definite article, and third, zero article. First, what is indefinite article? Indefinite articles is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. Then, we don't use indefinite articles before uncountable or plural nouns. Then, a is used before a consonant nouns which are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And is used before a vowel sound nouns which are R, E, or U. This one is not A, E, I, or U. It is the sounds of the nouns. Here are some examples of indefinite articles a. The first one is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. Second, a bird. There is a bird. Number 3, a chicken. A chicken is wearing a mask. Next is a cat. A cat is wearing a mask too. And now I will choose some examples of indefinite article for an. The first one is an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. The next is an orange. An orange a day keeps the eye dogs away. Next, an egg. An egg a day keeps the diabetes at bay. Next, an old man. An old man is smiling. Now we look at what is definite article. The definite article is used in front of all nouns which are specific or unique. Let's look at some of the examples of definite article. The first one is the earth. The earth is a beautiful planet. Next, the sun. The sun gives us light. Another example is the moon. The moon goes around the earth. And the last example is the Mount Kinabalu. I'll see you on top of the Mount Kinabalu. Now, the last article is zero article. So what is zero article? Zero article means no articles is used in front of any nouns. Let's look at some of the examples of zero articles. Let's look at the first example. Flying cars can be dangerous. As you can see in these examples, we didn't put the articles a and the in front of the flying cars. Another example is, please turn to page 53. As you can see, we didn't say please turn to a page, or please turn to the page, or please turn to an page. We just put zero articles. So this is what we need to learn about articles a and the. Before I finish the lesson, let's recap of what we had learned just now. How many types of article are there? The answer is 3, correct. So what are the articles? First one, indefinite articles. Second, definite articles. And third, zero articles. So if you like this video, please give it a like, share this video. If you have any question, please leave your questions in the comment section below. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.